plans to renovate or redecorate this year? If you're itching to revamp your space with the latest and greatest in interior design ideas and trends for 2024, you can't afford to miss this video. This is your ultimate guide to top design trends you absolutely can't miss. These ideas will breathe new life into your living space, from bold, maximalist vibes to serene, timeless renovations. We've got the insider scoop on how to DIY makeover your home, making it the envy of the neighborhood. These decorating ideas will inspire you to create a home that's not only stylish but uniquely yours. Don't just follow the trends, set them, and step into the future of home design. And stay tuned, because at the end I will be offering you 2 free tools to help you in this process. I'm Evelyn Lopez with iPro Realty Brokerage, serving the Caledon and surrounding GTA areas. And don't forget to share your thoughts and your favorite trend in the comments below. So why am I so eager to share these trends with you? It's because they have 3 benefits for you. These home design trends for 2024 can help you boost the beauty, functionality, and value of your home. One of the best parts of owning a home is the freedom to make it truly your own design choice that reflects your personality and your style. Whether you lean toward contemporary design or a farmhouse aesthetic, your home is your canvas. Even so, it's always smart to think about the long-term impact that those design decisions might have on your home's future value. Choosing over-personalized or unpopular materials and finishes could make your home less appealing to future buyers, and selecting out-of-style or overly trendy elements could cause your home to feel dated very quickly. To help inspire your design choices, we've rounded up some of the top design inspirations we're watching in 2024. Now keep in mind, not all of these looks will work well in every house. If you plan to list or renovate your property, give us a call. We can help you realize your vision and maximize the impact of your investment by sharing what home buyers are looking for in homes in your specific area and price point. Having said that, let's jump in and explore. I'm particularly excited about the emphasis on spa-like bathrooms. With our busy, stressful lives, I think it's great to see homeowners invest in a space where they can relax and unwind while increasing the value of their property. It's a win-win. More and more homeowners are remodeling their bathrooms to create these little slices of paradise. Bathroom renovations. If you're thinking about a bathroom renovation, here's a tip. Upgrade your fixtures and materials. Imagine having beautiful tiles and custom cabinetry. These improvements add a stylish and luxurious feel to your bathroom space. And instead of those stark whites, why not go for warm neutrals? Light wood tones, creams, beiges, they all create a super relaxing vibe. And for that perfect ambiance, think about soft lighting, like a backlit mirror or some decorative wall sconces. It's about setting a mood. Got a bit more to your budget? Consider a steam shower, an infrared sauna, or even a cold plunge tub for the ultimate relaxation experience. But if you're not looking to splurge that much, small upgrades like a massaging shower head or a heated towel bar can still add a touch of luxury to your daily routine. And one last thing, and this is super important. If you're diving into bathroom modifications, make sure to work with an experienced, licensed professional. You definitely want to avoid any water damage nightmares. Spa-like bathrooms isn't the only design trend to watch for in 2024. Here are 5 more you should know about. Maximalism is making a huge comeback in 2024. It's shaking things up in the design world and moving away from those neutral vibes we've been seeing everywhere. Now, maximalism isn't about just throwing things together. It's about carefully picking out pieces that scream personality. Think about it. Rich, deep colors, wallpapers that make a statement, rugs that tell a story, and furniture that's anything but ordinary. Oh, and art, loads of it. And in maximalism, it's not about matching. It's about mixing and matching different colors and textures and patterns that somehow just work together. On a budget, but want to jump on this trend? Thrift stores are your new best friends. You won't believe the treasures that you can find there. Unique furniture, vibrant rugs, quirky art, you name it. But hey, a quick heads up for my home sellers out there. If you're thinking about selling your home soon, remember maximalism might not be everyone's cup of tea. When selling, we often suggest decluttering and keeping things neutral to help potential buyers envision their future in the space. So sometimes that means a fresh coat of paint or a decor refresh. But don't let this stop you from living in your dream space now. Just keep in mind that when it's time to sell, you might need to dial it back a bit. You know, make your home a blank canvas again so that buyers can project their own dreams onto it. But until then, embrace your maximalist heart and let your home be a reflection of all the things you love. If you're not quite sold on maximalism, no worries. Let me introduce you to the Japandi style. Japandi is all about clean lines, simplicity, and embracing natural elements and light. It's got this whole beauty imperfection vibe known as wabi-sabi, and it really connects you with nature. Plus, just like Scandinavian decor, it's super cozy and makes your home feel, well, like a sanctuary. Thinking of giving Japandi a try? It's all about calming colors and natural materials like raw wood and bamboo. And you can soften up the space with things like snuggly blankets and cool ceramic pieces. And while Japandi keeps clutter to a minimum, it's not about minimalism. It's clever with storage. Think blankets, baskets, folding screens, and even sofas with hidden storage to keep everything neat and tidy. And if you're thinking, I could really use some help with this Japandi thing, don't worry, I have you covered. If you need a hand getting that Japandi style organization in your home, just reach out. I can hook you up with a list of amazing professionals who have more details on these design trends, and I can also provide you with some inspirational photos. Check out our blog post. You can find a link in the caption. And if you're starting a home design project soon, reach out to Chad. We know the best contractors in the area, and we'd be happy to share our insights on the upgrades that will make it easier or harder to sell your home when the time comes. Let's make your home your happy place, Japandi style. Now here's another great inspiration, and it's all about fixed metals. Now let's chat about this super fun design trend for 2024, mixing metals in your home decor. Gone are the days when combining different metals was a big no-no. Now it's all about saying yes to this cool, eclectic style. Designers are all for mixing up the colors and finishes of your metal fixtures and hardware. It adds this amazing visual interest to any room. But hey, there is a trick to getting it just right. If you want to avoid those almost matching metals like brass and gold, that can look more like an oops than a oh wow. Instead, aim for a bold contrast. So imagine how sleek polished nickel looks against a matte black. Now that's more of a statement. And here's a pro tip. Try to use each metal at least twice in a room to tie it all together. If you're working with a smaller space, stick to 2 types of metals. Got a larger room? You can play with 2 to 3 different metals. And here's something cool to think about. Playing with metal undertones. Brass brings warmth, while chrome adds a cool touch. This can totally change the vibe of your space. Also, get ready for a bit of bling. Many designers are predicting a comeback for that shiny, retro, high-polished look, stepping away from the matte finishes we've seen a lot of. So don't be afraid to let your space shine. Let's talk kitchen trends. You know how the all-white kitchen has been like everywhere for the past few years? Well, in 2024, it's time to welcome back classic wood cabinetry. Aww. Yep, you heard that right. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association, wood cabinets are set to overtake white in popularity in the next 3 years. Wood tones in the kitchen bring this warmth and natural beauty that's just irresistible. And don't worry, we're not talking about those heavy, old school cabinets. Today's wood cabinets are all about lighter and medium tones like white oak and walnut with warmer undertones. And here's a cool tip. Try adding wood grain accents to painted cabinets. Think about a contrasting island or a range hood. It's on point with today's trends in design. And for flooring, wood is still king. A recent survey showed that 40% of homeowners renovating their kitchens are going for hardwood or engineered wood floors. But wait, there's more. Wood is making a splash in bathrooms too. Last year, wood vanities actually became more popular than white for the first time in ages. And the experts at Who's say this trend is here to stay. So, if you're thinking about a home update in 2024, you might want to consider going with wood. It's not just a trend, it's a timeless choice that adds warmth and character to your space. All right, listen up all you aspiring interior decorators. We've talked about some fantastic trends today, but now it's time to wrap up with a real classic, the beauty of timeless renovations. This is for all of you who love designs that stand the test of time, blending elegance with enduring appeal. So let's dive into what makes a renovation truly timeless and why this might be the perfect choice for your next home project. Timeless decor incorporates those classic designs that never seem to go out of style. Who's did this kitchen trend study, and guess what they found? Nearly half of homeowners, we're talking 47%, are choosing timeless designs for their renovations. Why? Because it's not just about looking good, it's about being cost-effective and eco-friendly in the long run. In this fast-paced, tech-driven world, it makes sense that people want a home that feels nurturing and lasts through the years, especially if they're planning to stick around for a while. So, what's at the heart of timeless design? We're talking traditional materials, quality craftsmanship, and what some designers are calling quiet luxury. Picture this. Enduring classics like hardwood floors, handcrafted tiles, and marble countertops. And the colors? Think warm neutrals and soft muted blues and greens. Simply lovely. If you're considering a remodel, going classic is a smart move. These styles stand the test of time, which means your investment lasts longer and your home stays in vogue, making it easier to sell later on. And hey, if you need some advice on your next project, don't hesitate to reach out for a free consultation. And remember to check out the link below for your free resources. Let's make your home both beautiful and timeless.